Okay, guys, so before we get this video started, you will need chocolate cake mix, butter, vanilla, mayo, because we don't have eggs, and water. Okay, guys. What's up, you guys? So we back. Video. And so, today, as you can see by the title and by the things we have on the table, we will be doing the cake challenge. So, we're gonna do like who cooked the best cake and decorated the my bad. Yeah. And we got a cake mix and all the other stuff in the video. So, get started. But before we get started with this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, get us to 100 subscribers. Keep going. I'm sorry, I was thinking of something in my head. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm done. Oh, you done? Oh, comment, like, share, sub, hit the notification bell. You know what you need to do. And let's get started with a video. So we're gonna cut these bags open. We both got chocolate, y'all. We're gonna use chocolate. You think one bag or just a half? I feel like we should just do one bag. Just do the whole bag. Alright. Just pour it. Pour it in this bag. Yeah. Oh gosh, I left the spoon in there. Oops, spilled all over me. I always got accidents. Left the spoon in there. Grab the thing out. Oh gosh. It is not covered. This looks like that
there's chocolate all over it. And you gotta crush it.
Well, first things first, before you cook, you know, you always gotta wash your hands. So
I already washed my hands.
I already washed my hands. That's what I'm saying. We've washed our hands already, y'all. Ew, they didn't wash your hands before cooking.
Hold on 1 second.
I like to make a hole where I could put all my ingredients in. Alright, so next ingredients, we got mayo. Because we don't have eggs, those of you who don't know, you can use mayo as eggs because mayo is eggs. So it says to put 3 eggs in there, so we're just gonna put 3 spoons of mayo. Dude, who knows? There it is. Alright, there you go. Okay. I like to put all my ingredients in there before I just like start mixing.
So it's like 2 scoops.
Then we gotta put our butter in there, and then we got our water. Pouring it in there. I mean, it's supposed to go last, but you know, I'm just gonna do everything all at once.
I think I'm not taking scoops.
Yeah, that's enough. Okay, that's enough of that. Second thing, butter. So Noah's gonna melt the butter. This is what mine is looking like so far. I still need to add a lot more water. Instead of vegetable oil, we're gonna use butter, you guys. I just added his water into stuff, and then we'll get back with y'all when the butter and everything is melted. To this. Okay, we got the butter.
So do I just mix?
Mix yours up.
Where's your muscle? Sorry,
just lift this up, sweetie. Let's put it over. Well, I need my butter right now.
I need more water.
Okay. Here, you can use this one. I don't need that. It's like so smooth, but I need more water though.
Mine's just smooth.
You gotta add your butter, everything. Mine's pretty good. Well, it's old-fashioned way we mix it. Okay. I'm gonna add more chocolate. We're gonna get back with you guys when we finish mixing all of this. Just adding the vanilla in there. You don't need a lot, just like about 3 drops. 1, 2, 3.
It was not no 3 drops.
That was 3 drops. I'll show you in a clip.
Hey,
Okay, in there. And then we'll see y'all later.
3.
We messed up big time and forgot sugar. Sugar, right, Noah?
Sugar.
It's like, how? Oh. Oh. Okay, that was
Every
accident.
cooking video we ever failed.
Better. That was for me. I guess I'm just playing. That's unsanitary. Guys, I'm not gonna measure, but I just know. Don't pour down the table. I'm not gonna measure, but I know how much to put in here. and I get my pressure.
2 people almost killed. Oh shoot, your things were almost dead. In-game spoilers.
I would take that down.
Okay, be back with y'all later. Okay.
CC, but I have to pay for myself. But I'm bringing everybody a whole bunch.
Yes, they are. High five. Ready? Yes. Yeah. Boo boo. Thanks, Nia, the baker who's helping us. I
don't know what I'm doing. I just. Well, you went to culinary school.
Culinary?
We started
Okay, let's go. Hey, with it in the kitchen. With it in the kitchen. You did it. I dropped it on the floor and it got all on my hand. This doesn't look right. Oh my goodness. If it wasn't for me, we wouldn't have no cake. Oh no! Alright guys, this cake batter is actually pretty good.
So that's
just don't worry about it. I washed some of it off. That's what it looks like. And we're about to put it in the pan.
Where is your mixer thingy?
Oh, it's at the table.
Right now, that's Zion's and that's mine.
Yeah, I showed them already.
So yeah. I just actually just hurt my finger because I was stirring it too fast. So
Too fast.
too fast.
All right, we spraying it. Pan down.
Let's go. Let's go. Just barely nothing in here.
Oh, see it.
Guys, so we got these things buttered down. Alrighty.
Just gonna dump it in there. Dump it in there.
Oh gosh.
It's enough. It's enough. It's good. Okay. The best way is to like do that all on the counter. Let me go over here.
Okay.
All right. Now we're gonna put the cakes in the oven. It's in the oven. In the oven. I don't even think the light works. Hey guys. So day two of baking cake. Like a lava cake right now. My bad. So this is what it's looking like. It looks a hot mess right now because what we did wrong, we got the pans were like way too small. So they overflowed. And
we opened the cake in the oven up,
and they were like at the top. And it fell, so they messed up, they crumbled up. But then we're gonna see how they are when we trim them and put both of them together. My goodness, it literally melted, you guys.
That's a mess, probably. We could have made it.
I'm disappointed.
Let's make something like
okay. I think yeah.
But
see what we can do with this. My hands are dirty. Guys, you're so stupid. This is what's just for play, you guys. I can make way better cakes than this. Trust me. Trust us. Yeah, we just didn't have all the ingredients we needed, so you know.
it looks pretty weird or something.
Yeah.
It's just icing down.
It's like a glaze, you know. Okay, it all out.
Oh gosh, this is fun.
This is stupid.
Just has to smash your face in the cake.
No, we're not smashing our
I'm just kidding.
face in this cake. Or too hard. Okay, hold on. Put some. Oh, Lord.
What if we have to serve this in a restaurant? Well,
how did this not come in our genes of making a good cake?
I don't know.
One to everybody else. Well, I can't make a good cake, but this one is just horrible. Noah was right. We should have used the bundt cake things because these pans were not at all. It's like glaze. Cake.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
For some reason, I just smash my face into this ugly, beautiful cake.
I did wash my hands, so don't be like, ew, Zion, why are you touching your finger all over this?
3, 2, 1.
Don't do that.
It's a volcano.
Oh. This is like gooey. Alright, let's clean this all up and then we'll show you. Okay, we'll see y'all later after we get cleaned up.
Oh, I see.
that disgusting cake is done and that we cleaned our area up. To cut. Join your hands. Put your hand there. Well, they say the messiest cakes taste the best. Let's see if that's true. Ugh. It tastes like Oreo to me. Okay, get it, wait. Get a pet place. We're gonna, oh, if I can put this. Taste test, guys. We can't cook because we cooked cinnamon rolls last time and it turned out really good. But this cake was like, it is not that bad. If you looked at it in real life, y'all, chill out. Oh well. I don't know what the taste is. But anyways, guys, hope you guys